This is Vinny Rico, one of our repair shop owners. He actually was the owner of Mid-Atlantic Trucks, which was an international dealer for the longest time until he sold it and started his own repair shop maybe about 10 years back, but Vinny will tell you the exact time. And he's been with Arrow all this time. He does a fantastic job of reconditioning trucks to manufacturer's specs. Vinny, take it from here.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vincent Rico. I'm the owner of VCMR Truck Services and Auto Collision. My background is my father started an international dealership in Linden, New Jersey, Mid-Atlantic Truck Center. Right out of high school, I started working for the place before I became the owner of the place. I'm in the business 33 years. We sold the dealership in 2006. I started doing recondition work for Arrow, which is over 14 years ago. What I can say about this place is they do a stand-up job on recondition. I'm a stickler with trucks because that's my background. That's all I know. Mechanical, sales, service, body shop, parts. But as far as my experience, when we take a truck for a recondition, they tell us, see something, say something. So what we do is when we get a truck in, we do a standard DOT, and then we do what we call a recondition report. We go over the truck, we see something, we let one of the managers know, and they don't even blink an eye. They say fix it. On average, they spend over $5,000 per unit on a reconditioned truck. And again, with this company, you're getting a good truck. We recondition it, we go through it all, so you don't have problems when you leave the branch. So we find it before, rather than after, when it becomes a headache on the road, a tow, getting into local shops, and keep the cost down. So my experience is Arrow Truck Sales.
Quality trucks.
Quality trucks.
That don't break down. Yeah.
That don't break down. That's my experience dealing with Arrow Truck Sales.
I thank you very much for saying that, Vinny. Unfortunately, trucks do break down, but we stand behind our product. Even after the sale, we send you so many customers
You will always
for
have
repairs.
support with Arrow. They will make it where you are happy. You get support before the sale, during the sale, and after the sale.
That's right. And Vinny does a stand-up job in repairing trucks, maintaining trucks. So many of our customers go to Vinny on a regular basis
Absolutely.
for maintenance, ongoing
We make a great
maintenance.
customer basis because if you purchase a truck from Arrow, we pass that discounted price on to them going forward. It's not just an introduction. I want to keep a customer for the lifetime. I just don't want to see them once and go on. So it's a good teamwork, and I'm so glad to be part of the Arrow team because they do a great job and they're very, very good people.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Vinny.
You are so welcome, sir.
And you brought the creeper along so that you can start your inspection work
Creeper, I'm
early
sure
this morning.
Yes,
Thank
sir,
you.
I am ready. We're going to go over a whole unit from top to bottom like we always do. Tires, brakes, prop shafts, everything.
Thank you, Vinny. Thank you very much.
You are so welcome, Dan. Thank you, sir.